How's it going, everyone? At SOOPER, we're really excited to announce we've just rolled out a brand new feature called co-creators. Co-creators is a really powerful tool to allow you to collaborate with other creators within your community. It's a good way to tap into other audiences by bringing in guest experts and just overall support your members and enhance their experience. In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to set up a co-creator. It takes 10 seconds. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to invite a co-creator into your community. You'll see down here on the left, there's a new button called co-creators. Just click that. It'll open this page. Now on this page, this is where your whole team will be listed. So anyone you invite into your community will be shown on this page, and you can easily just add and remove people. So to add a co-creator, you just click on Manage Invitations, add the email of the person you want to invite, and then hit Invite Co-Creator. Now that person will receive an invite, and they will also receive an in-app notification within their creator account on SOOPER. If somebody doesn't have a creator account, we'll just prompt them to create one. It takes 1 minute. So if I flip over to the other account, refresh the page, you'll see here you're being invited to be a co-creator on Damaso MC, my music community. All you do is view invitation, choose your creator account, and then hit accept. And that's it. And also, just to explain, we take care of all the security precautions of inviting a guest collaborator into your community. So all the financial information, important community info, tiers, pricing, all that stuff is completely locked away to the owner. So it's a really fluid way to invite guest creators in on the fly and work together. So yeah, give it a try. We hope you like it, and stay tuned for more features coming soon. See ya.